Hey, what's up everybody? I want to show you here what I travel with when I go on vacation or other trips for work. So let's get into it. So here we have the backpack. This is the Turtle Beach edition of the backpack. I got my patches here. I have little Intel Moonmen. I do that for if there's kids on flights that might be a little upset. I can give them one of these and that makes them happy. I've got my sweet luggage tag there. Go ahead and give it a scan if you want, see what it does. We got the Logitech, I think that's the MX2 little mouse there. I use that because it has ergonomics. There is the case for it. We have a PS5 controller, purple. Right here we have my Samsung Galaxy tablet. I use that to watch movies and stuff on while I'm on the plane. We have a little set of wireless lapel mics. I use that for recording when I'm on the road. We have a battery pack, a docking station that I use for the ROG Ally, and then we have a Logitech C922 webcam that I just keep in there in case I ever need to do recording or webinars, etc. Here is a stand I use on the plane for the tablet, and here we have a Cable Creation, kind of a little USB-C dock. Get some extra ports there on the laptop. I've got my GoPro. That's the Hero 11 Black. And then this is my my Mantis little handheld tripod, and I've got the Ulanazi on the top there. And what I usually do is put the Ulanazi on the GoPro, and it's easy just to switch back and forth. I have the adapter. Inside that case is a setup. I have a Fire Stick, and I also have a Google Chromecast with miscellaneous cables. That's so I can hook it up to the TV in the hotel room and stream stuff from my tablet so I can watch movies and stuff like that. Down here we have the Anker 150 watt power brick. Look at those connections, 3 USB-C, 1 USB-A. And then I have a nice 6-foot USB-C cable. I use those for a couple things. So also to charge my phone and other toys that you're seeing here. But this does a really good job at charging this beast. This is the Asus ROG, I think it's the MX16 gaming laptop. This is my work laptop, so obviously we travel with that. But that does a really good job at powering that over Thunderbolt. I've got my Bose noise canceling headphones. I use those on the plane. And then finally, this bad boy's new edition. This is the ROG Ally. I have the case on it. You can see that in a different video. And then there's also a travel case for it. So that docking station right there works perfect for the ROG Ally. And then I have the PS5 remote, or the PS5 controller on it to play some games. And then also this guy, we're back here again, does an excellent job at powering the ROG Ally. So that is what I travel with. It all fits in this backpack. It is stuffed. I usually also have a water bottle that I put one of the side pockets there. So I'll put links in the description below where you can find some of this stuff. And until next time, keep doing good.